Welcome to National News with me, Rizwan Asad. We are bringing you a sensation news in. A 10-year-old boy who was kidnapped from Bharati Nagar, the police had managed to rescue him and they've arrested all the 6 accused who had kidnapped the boy. I'm standing in the Commissioner of Police office. Last night the boy was rescued and he was brought to and handed over to the parents. The kidnappers had kidnapped the boy on the 27th evening from his house, telling him that we'll get you kites. As the boy was very interested in flying kites, he went along with them. And after a few minutes, the father of the boy got a call saying that please go open your shop door. And in that, when they found that a ransom note of 2 crores was asked. Immediately contacted the police. Police swung in action. They formed teams and they managed to track these kidnappers along with the boy in Tumkur. After a hot chase, the police successfully brought the boy in the control and managed all the 6 accused. The 5 accused are in the custody now. 1 has been injured in police firing who tried to attack the police. The police have done a commendable job and within 24 hours they managed to solve this mystery.
ಭಾರತಿ ನಗರ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗುದು ಅಬ್ಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬಂದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯವರು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ಡಿಸಿಪಿ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಶರಣಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಅದು ಕೇಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಮಗುವಿನ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಗಾರು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ತರಹದ ಮಗುಗೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಆಗಬಾರದು ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಮುಂಜಾಗ್ರತಾ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಅಪರ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಯುಕ್ತರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಮುರುಗನ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಇಡೀ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆದು
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಜನ ಒಟ್ಟು 6 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾಹಿಲ್, ಮುಜಮ್ಮಿಲ್, ಫೈಜಾನ್, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಶಾಹಿದ್, ಖಲೀಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಜೈನ್ ಇವರುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ 20 ರಿಂದ 30 ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಳಪಟ್ಟವರು ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದಾಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಜನ ಮಾದಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಸೇವನೆ ಸಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವುದು ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಫಾಹಿಮ್ ಎಂಬುವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ರಾಬರಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ಆರೋಪಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಎಮ್ಒ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ತೆರೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ರವರ ಮನೆಯ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದು ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೃತ್ಯವನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸುಳಿವು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಮಗುವಿನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಆರೋಪಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ದುಡ್ಡು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಅಪರಾಧಿ ಓದೋದು ಈ ತರ ಕೆಲಸ ಶುರು ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು. Day before yesterday night, one child from Bharati Nagar police station limits was kidnapped, and next day morning a note was received from his shop that the child has been kidnapped and they were expecting a ransom of 2 crore rupees. They had not indicated any time or any place for that. So next time, initially they gave a complaint suspecting kidnapping, but after they gave this note, it was confirmed that there was a case of kidnapping. We had already formed teams in the night. Our additional CP East, Mr. Murugan, and DCP East, Mr. Sharnappa. They have taken over the investigation. Yesterday, after this information, when they got a call, all information was analyzed, and we zeroed down on one person, and we started pursuing him. When they pursued that person, one after another, 3 accused were secured, and they gave us very vital clues, whereby it was revealed that the person, the boy, is probably in Tumkur. See, then late night, our officers and men, they raided the place in Tumkur, but they again tried to escape from there. It was a chase, after which the accused were arrested and the child was safely recovered. The mastermind of whole kidnapping was somewhere in Bangalore. Again, the police parties, they raided the place. When he realized that he is cornered by police and he is about to be arrested, he tried to assault police. He assaulted police, and in order to, in self-defense, police had to take certain action, and he was also injured. Then he was arrested. Total 6 persons have been arrested. The investigations have revealed that the father of the child was a local businessman. He was having good business, and all these accused, one of them is accused with a criminal with a past record of robbery, and other 5 boys, they were in the same vicinity. They used to notice their activities. The child is fond of kite flying, and they tempted him with the offer of organizing taking him for kite flying. And the boy trusted them and went along with them. And after that, initially they took him to some other place, and from there shifted him to Tumkur. They thought they would be safe if they move out of Bangalore city. But police was able to secure all of them and rescue the child safely. These boys have watched the activities of the child as well as the parents' financial status, and they had a feeling that they can get a good ransom from that. Because of very prompt and efficient action of the police, particularly East Division Police, the child was safely reunited with the family, and they all are very happy. And I congratulate the police officers and men who have worked very, very diligently, in a very committed manner, and for which they have been given reward.
So they are professional kidnappers?
No, they are not professional kidnappers. Only one person has a criminal record, and rest all have joined him. They are local boys. They all have joined him.
So that family, they did not know the family, the boy knew that accused?
No, they didn't have any personal acquaintance with the family. They only knew that such and such person is there, and they only have identified the child. That's all.
Sir, any behind this gang leader anybody?
Kidnapping. It's a case of kidnapping by certain criminals, and we have taken action. Yeah, and they don't have any such rivalry or any such animosity with anybody in the area.
Sir, as far as NCB statement is concerned.
normal insan, like friendly insan. Kौन भी नहीं बोलता
तो Abdul Bashir. Umar, a 10-year-old boy, was rescued in a very daring operation. The President Town, Shivaji Nagar and the Bharti Nagar police did a chase and rescued the boy within 24 hours. And the parents are rejoiced. It's a lesson for all the small children that any stranger calling you, please don't go. And it's a lesson to the parents also. Please take care of your children. See that they don't come out and be careful of strangers who they're calling. And it's also very good news that this boy has been rescued unhurt and nothing has happened to him. And the parents are thankful of the Almighty Police Department. Rizwan Asad, Russian News.
It is your baby, but you
Magic Canelo.
Put in the car.
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವಾಗ
ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಜಂಗಲ್ ದರ್ಗಾ ಇದೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದರ್ಗಾ ಇದೆ.
ಮಗು ಮೇಲೆ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಪೆಪ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್, ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಬೇಡ ನನ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನೆನೆ
5:30 ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಕಲಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇಂದ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಮಮ್ಮ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ನಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ನನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇಂದ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
5:15 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
5:20 ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್
ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು 1 o'clock ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ನಿಮ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೆಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಲೆಟರ್ 2 ಫೋಟೋ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು. ಅದೇ 2 crores ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಮಕ್ಳದ ಹೆಸರು, ನಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿದ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದ ಹೆಸರು, ನಮ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ನಿಮ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್
ಏನ್ ಅದು ಪಾಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸರ್.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಇಡೀ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ
ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂತ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು CCTV is walking ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ with that person. So that means he is a known person.
2 days before that person had come, the boy, 18 years old boy, he had come it seems, and my mother-in-law also saw. And she shouted, "It's why with such a big person, like such a big boy, no, he is. Why are you? I'll just tell your father and all." Then he don't know me, nothing karke bolke. He just came inside.
They are the area people only.
No, but I have not seen him.
But there was a plan.
Fully planned.
Because they were watching for me from long months.
From long time. Just they didn't get the chance because he'll always be with his cousin brother every time, everywhere. Just he went to tuition, he was alone. That's it. That's the missing part.
Okay. Single police station. It's in the middle of the night. It's 12 night, and we've got very good news here. One station, a small boy, Shuaib, who was kidnapped last night from Bajwadi, has been rescued by the very efficient team of DCP East, led by DCP Shamappa and Tabarak Abin Madam, the town police station, Jerusalem police station. Here we got the child who has been rescued, name is Shuaib. Mohammad Umar. तो क्या हुआ इतना? आप कान थे घर के पास थे, घर के बाहर थे, कौन ले क्या बोलते हो? अब तुम चले गए और उसके बाद क्या है, तुम्हारा काम लगे
फोकस फोकस कीजिए दूर से फोन आ रहा है हाँ
आपको कैसे कम मालूम?
दो तीन कैबिन है वो अच्छे बच्चा नहीं है घूमते घूमते पूरा 11:30 घंटे हो गए बच्चा मिला नहीं आता रास्ता आया था बच्चा काफी गया था आया था 11 साढ़े 11 हो गया पूरा टेंशन में जाता कल कंप्लेंट दे रहा था कंप्लेंट दे रहा था इमीडिएट एक्शन हुआ से हमारे मैडम और जो डीसीपी है ना इंटरेस्ट में उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम करा और टीम उनकी बहुत अच्छा तुमको से लगा हमने तो अपना गाड़ी चेस करे सो बच्चे को चेस करते लगे सो लेवल भी कहेंगे पुलिस की तरह और अल्लाह का मतलब तो टीम बैंगलोर की बहुत अच्छा करेगा मोहम्मद सादिक
कभी रैंसम कॉल नहीं आया
कॉल आया था उसका टॉप होगा सर
आपका बच्चा सही सलामत आएगा तो आपको बहुत
थैंकफुल बहुत न्यू लाइफ हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन बस आई जस्ट वांट टू थैंक एवरीबॉडी जो भी है बैंगलोर की जो टीम थी उसके लिए बहुत थैंक्स आई रियली अप्रिशिएट तबारक I just saw her from morning to evening how she did घर पे थे हमारे she was like normal इंसान like friendly इंसान बोल में नहीं बोलते I was
तो आपको खुशी Umar, a 10-year-old boy, was rescued in a very daring operation. The Sajid Town, Shivaji Nagar and Bhadinagar Nagar police did a chase and rescued the boy within 24 hours. And the parents have rejoiced. It's a lesson for all the small children that any stranger calling you, please don't go. And it's a lesson to the parents also. Please take care of the children. See that they don't come out and be careful of the strangers with their father. And it's also very, very good news that this boy has been rescued unharmed and nothing has happened to him. And the parents are thankful of the Almighty Police Department.